Good morning, dear students. Welcome to English Zoom lesson. Do you have any idea what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn adjectives. Objectives: to identify an adjective in a sentence. To use adjectives in sentences. Do you know what adjectives are? Good. Let us learn more. What is an adjective? Adjectives are describing words. It describes a noun. You know what nouns are, right? Yes, nouns are the names of people, place, animal, and things. Wonderful, children. Words that describe a person, an animal, a place, or a thing are called adjectives. Adjectives give information about size, shape, feel, taste, smell, sound, behavior, color, numbers, etc. Oh my God! Adjectives can describe everything. What is the boy thinking? Adjectives tells us about taste, how many in number, about how a person looks, about the size, about the feel, about smell, about color. So you see, children, adjectives can describe almost everything and in different ways. Look at this picture. There are so many examples over here. The sun over here is hot. So hot is the describing word. It is telling more about the sun. Colorful rainbow. Rainbow is the noun. Colorful is the describing word. It is an adjective. It is telling about the rainbow, that it is so colorful. What is this? Yes, you are right. It's a bluebird. Blue is describing the bird, that the bird is blue in color. Oh, here it is a tree. What is the describing word over here, children? Very good. It is a big tree. Beautiful flowers. What is the describing word over here? Is beautiful describing word? Or flowers is a describing word? Good job. It is the beautiful that is a describing word. It is saying something about the flowers, that the flowers are beautiful. Oh, sweet apples. Which one is the adjective over here, children? Excellent. It is the sweet. And the boy, is he tall or short? He's a tall boy. So what is the describing word over here? Yes, tall is the describing word. It is describing the boy. Look over here. Hen has how many chicks? One hen and two chicks. Here, one and two are adjectives. Do you remember the story Goldilocks and Three Bears? How many bears are here? Yes, three. And Goldilocks. The little bear is saying long golden curly hair about the Goldilocks hair. Wonderful, children. So long golden curly are describing the hair of Goldilocks. How many bears are here? 3 bears. So 3 is the describing word. It is adjective. Goldilocks is saying the porridge is too hot. It is too cold. Hot food. So hot is the adjective. It is describing the word food. Cold food. Here, which one is the adjective, children? Good, it is cold. How many chairs in here? 3. Wonderful, children. So which one is the describing word? 3 or chairs? Yes, it is 3. There's one big chair. So big is the describing word. It is adjective. Small chair. It is small is the word describing chair. Soft bed. So which one is the adjective over here, children? Soft. Wonderful, because it is describing the word bed. Wonderful, children. Find the suitable adjectives for the picture. You know now the adjectives are the describing word. It says something about a thing. What is the color of this flower? Good, it is yellow. How does it look? Good job, it looks beautiful. How many petals can you see? Wonderful, 5 petals. How does it smell? Nice, wonderful, children. Good answers. Now you know that these describing words are the adjectives. The word yellow, beautiful, 5, nice. They're all adjectives because they are describing the flower. Wonderful, children. You have done a good job. Add suitable adjectives in the given sentences. What do you see in this picture? What kind of a cake it is? It is a cake. So can you add adjectives? What kind of cake it is? It is a brown cake. You can say it is a sweet cake. It is a chocolate cake. It is a yummy cake. You have done a great job. Can you recognize all the adjectives over here? Wonderful, children. Now open your English workbook to page number 56. Did you open? Now over here, children, let us do question A. Find 5 adjectives in the box. Circle each one. One has been done for you. Remember, an adjective describes a person, a place, or a thing. Is blue an adjective? Yes, it is. Is soft an adjective? Who is going to tell me? Yes, it is. Wonderful, children. Hat, is hat an adjective? No, it's a noun. It's a name of a thing, right? We wear it on our head. Small, is it an adjective? Excellent, children. It is an adjective. Boy, good. It is not an adjective. How about house? No, it's a noun. How about good? Yes, it is an adjective, so you have to circle it. What about round? It is an adjective. It has already been circled for you. What about papaya? It's a noun. It's a name of a fruit. Teacher. It is again a noun. Children, you have to circle all these adjectives over here with a sharp pencil. You're doing a good job. Now let us do question B. Read these pairs of sentences. For each pair, take the sentence that includes an adjective and underline the adjective. The two sentences given over here are, let us read it together. The children stood in a circle. Do you see any adjective over here? Now the other option given to you is, the children stood in a large circle. So which of these two sentences has an adjective? Yes, only one sentence has an adjective. Large is the adjective. You have done a wonderful job, children. So this is a sentence with adjective, so put a tick over there. Now the next options given to you are, the first sentence is, Sam painted a colorful picture. The second sentence is, Sam painted a picture. So which of these sentences has an adjective? Good job. Colorful. So the first sentence has an adjective in it. The next one, a green bird landed on the wall. And the second option given to you is, a bird landed on the wall. Which of these two sentences, children, has an adjective? Wonderful. It is the green bird. So green is an adjective that is describing the bird. So the first sentence is the sentence that has adjective in it. So children, take all these three sentences over here in your book, page number 56. Now number C, question C is homework that says, add an adjective of your own to the following sentences to fill the gaps. You already know so many adjectives because you have been describing so many things, right? So you can find a suitable adjective for these sentences and write. You have done a great work. Now open your English workbook to page number 77. Look at these pictures of the endangered ivory-billed woodpecker. Underline the adjective in the caption for each picture. In the first picture, children, it is written a pointed crest. In the second picture, the caption given to you is a long bill. So in the first picture, a pointed crest, first caption, a pointed crest. Which word is the adjective? Yes, wonderful, children. It is pointed, so underline it. The second picture, a long bill. Which one is the adjective in the sentence? Wonderful, it is long. Did you underline? Good job. A big thumbs up for you. Now let us do question B. Let us read the question together. Rewrite the captions in activity A using different adjectives. Choose words from below or think of your own. So we have to describe the endangered ivory-billed woodpecker. So can you do this as homework? Question C is also homework. Wonderful, children. Now let us have a quick summary of what we learned today. We learned what is an adjective and to identify an adjective in a sentence and to use adjectives in a sentence. So do you remember, children, everything that we learned today? Good job. And remember, practice makes a man perfect. So do your homework. Thank you so much for attending Zoom lesson. See you on Sunday with a new lesson. Until then, have a nice time. Bye-bye.